Our planet was at peace, until traitors in our midst tried to seize control. After an epic war, the evil army of conspirators was defeated. They were stripped of their corporal bodies, and their ghostly spirits were banished to the netherworld. That was long ago. We thought we were rid of them forever. And now, there is only one who can save our world from total destruction.
Who? Me?
Who? Him?
The spirits have found a way out. They will stop at nothing to get their bodies back and overthrow Pac-World.
I have to what?
Eat them! I told you! To defeat the ghost, you must eat them! Now! Disgusting! What out!
No, I'm full. Ew, there's gotta be a better way.
No, I'm afraid not. Oops. Wait! I completely forgot. There is! My bad. The pellets from the power palm tree. These will give you the strength and abilities you need to stop the evil ones. As your mentor, I will provide you with everything you need. Vehicles, flying machines, ghost detectors.
Lunch?
Not gonna happen. The power pellets will also allow you to venture into the netherworld. Once I destroy Pac-Man, Pac-World will be mine! So fly, my minions! Fly! 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 Miss me? They better come back. This is your destiny. The pack is back! At least they came back!